guys, and welcome back to another episode of our market breakdowns. And today we're going to be going over US 30 once again. If you're not sure why I'm only going over US 30, make sure you watch the previous markup video. I explain why I'm only trading and why I only go over US 30 now. Because if you want to have me go over any other pairs, make sure you just click the link in the description and join my free Telegram chat, and I could just do it in there. But for YouTube, I'm just going to stick to US 30 strictly. So let's just start on the daily time frame. We're going to overall analyze what we see going on in the market. So first things first, we're still trading above this daily order block, so I'm overall bullish long term, but I am keeping into account that we're respecting this daily bearish order block right here. And if you pull the fib from very high of this high and the very low to this low, you can see we're currently trading back into the 79% after rejecting this order block. So if we're overall going to continue to reject, I can also keep in mind that this breaker block is right above it that we did trade into also. So there is a lot of reason to believe that price could likely have bearish move this week. And I also understand that there's a lot going on with the economy right now. So they're talking about how there's a possible chance that we're going to be running out of money with the U.S. Secretary or something like that, U.S. Treasury, whatever it is. I don't really pay attention to fundamentals, but I do know that there is a chance that we could see a lot of bearish movement coming soon, because it is the 9th and they said they were going to be running out of money by the 18th, so that is about 9 more days. So we can possibly see a push to the downside. And mind you, they're going to say it was all because of fundamental news, but we can see that we're currently, based off of just the charts and based off of just the candles and market structure, that there is already a chance that we could continue having this push to the downside. So let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. You can also see we're losing this momentum trading into this 4-hour order block also. So we see a lot of resistance in this area. We also see that right up here at 35,000 right here, we're currently trading right under 35,000. So there is a lot of opportunity to have a retracement. We could possibly anticipate a retracement to the downside, come down to possibly these breaker blocks down here before possibly trading even higher. I say check the 1 hour. Yeah, we could possibly get a resistance here, because if you pull your fib from this high to the low with this current range, and if I get the continuation level right here, you can see it's just like that we have this little area right here, this order block on the 4-hour and the 1 hour that we could possibly trade into. So I'm gonna have that marked as 4-hour plus 1 hour, 1 hour order block. So we could possibly see a slight retracement before potentially moving higher if price does want to continue bullish. But if this doesn't happen, then like I said, based off the higher time frame, we are more than likely going to come even lower. We could potentially look to target this order block down here, 4-hour order block, which will also be in confluence with the 70.50%, and it's also in around this 34,200 area. So we have a big figure level to also keep in mind also. So let's just have that here also. So we have these two little areas already marked out with high probability to have big moves coming into this week. If we look for, so this is where we're possibly looking to catch a push to the top side. Same thing here. But overall, like I said, based off the daily time frame, if we continue to make lower lows, then we could possibly look for potential ways to short. So let's get on to the 30-minute time frame. So now that we have our higher time frame analysis done, we're going to go down to the lower time frame, and we're going to mark up the previous day's Asian range, which is right here. And overall, you can see that we had during NFP, not much happened. It ranged a lot of sideways movement, but we overall know that we cleared this low down here. We also have these highs that are going to eventually need to be cleared up here. Change these colors. And we also see that we're still trading in between the 50% of this Asian range. So overall, if we could still remain under this area, we clear this high, create like an equal high right here. But if we can remain to stay under this area, then I think there's a high probability the price is still going to want to have that push to the downside, just like this, because you can see we're still trading below everything. I could pull a whole bunch of fibs and it's going to all be showing you the same thing. We're currently respecting this area. And there's a lot of reason to believe that price is going to continue to move downwards. Because like I said, if you come down to these, go down to the 1 hour, we're losing all of this momentum. And we know that there's areas down here that we're going to likely want to target. So all the way down here at around 34,600 is somewhere we could look to target to the downside. We also know that overall at 34,200 is where we could be looking for potential buys all the way down here. But going on it on the intraday basis, we're going to be looking from sells from up here somewhere to go short. So this is basically all I'm looking for at US 30 as of right now. Nothing much is happening. We just have to wait for the market to show us what it wants to do, because as of right now, it's just currently in this overall big range. So we just have to wait and see what the market wants to try and do going into Sunday and Monday. So we just have to wait. So until this range is broken, there's not much we can do. I overall just want to see price remain under this level to continue lower. So that's really it. Simple little breakdown, not really much going on. We just have to wait for the market to open. But this is going to be it for my little breakdown on US 30. Quick, simple, straight to the point. But if you want to see me trade live US 30, make sure you tune in at 8 a.m. EST every single morning, every Monday through Friday. I'm going to be live trading, and you can just come and see me live trade, see what I do live, and just overall learn and earn with me. So hopefully this video is helpful. If it was, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.